Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. I'm just gonna give you guys a situation that I had about a week ago that I managed to resolve, and I'm just gonna tell you guys how to resolve. You guys have this issue. Basically, it's a crank no start issue, and it has to do with the immobilizer. If you guys have a Honda Acura and you guys get the green light, the green key light that's on your dash, now there's a lot of things that could cause it. If you guys do a research on the internet, there's a lot of things that could cause it. Okay, I mean, I could go down the list of stuff that could cause it. A lot of times it could be the fuse. I've done videos on that. A lot of times it could be the fob key, dead fob key not working, fob key malfunctioning. It could be all that. All right. However, this is something that is common to Hondas and Acuras, and in particular when you get the green key flashing light on your dash. And in this scenario, you're gonna have a vehicle, a Honda Acura vehicle, with the automatic telescoping steering column for the steering wheel. Like, if you guys have a setup, and this essentially is in the higher, either the luxury versions. Well, most Acuras have this function, but a lot of Hondas with the higher trims actually have this feature also, where when you get into your vehicle and you try to start it, what happens is the seats will automatically set to your setting as far as the seating position, with the power seats, and the steering wheel will go up, will go down, will go up, will go down, will telescope forward, telescope backwards. So I'm talking about those cars with those features, with this particular set of scenarios. If you have looked at all the other things that could cause this, and you found that, you know, the stuff that you thought caused it weren't the issue. It wasn't your key fob, it wasn't the a fuse that's in your fuse box, it's not whatever it is, it's not whatever it is, that you looked at, and for this particular scenario, and it hasn't fixed your issue. I'm going to tell you guys what it is. Okay, so in a situation like this, what you're going to want to do is you will want to take the cover off the steering wheel column, and it's not very hard to take the cover off. All you need is a screwdriver. It's essentially plastic parts on the top and the bottom that's snapped on. All right, what you're gonna do is you're gonna look at this right here. All right, what happens with vehicles with the mechanical steering column presets, as far as every time you try to turn on, it goes up, it goes down, it switches to whatever position that you have it set up at. And and you could also turn this off. All right, but the telescoping of the steering column over time will cause wires, particularly if you have older Acuras or older Hondas with the higher trims. With this particular feature, it will cause the wires to actually break. As you guys can see, those wires right there on the plug, if you guys take it off, they will break. Now, if you guys are stuck in this situation where you guys can't get your car started, what you guys could do is actually look at that plug. Look at that plug. Look at the wires on the plug. And what you guys want to do is you guys want to actually try to set the wires, connect the wires, bend the wires to the end to a certain angle where it touches, and then you guys try to start it. If that is your problem, there's a really good chance that you could get yourself out of this situation and start your vehicle by doing that. Now, obviously, you're gonna have to fix that plug, solder, get a new plug or whatever. It's not a difficult thing to fix, but that's one of the scenarios that you guys could come across if you guys have this set of issues as far as Acuras and Hondas, the higher trim Hondas or the Acuras with the telescoping preset steering wheel going up and down by itself. It actually the wires will get brittle and break off the plug over time. And that was pretty much the fix as far as the car was concerned. You guys have your own personal experiences with this particular situation. Drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know whether this helped you guys out, might help somebody else out, or whatever it is that helped your situation. You guys can put it in the comment section. It might help somebody else out in a similar situation. All right, guys. If you guys have a question, definitely leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. All that good stuff. Appreciate your time. Take care, guys.